You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is h equals 101/6. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 12 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the h. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/3. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is h equals 101/6.